Hey folks, just wanted to make a quick video since it's been a little while. I have been procrastinating, but I'm back at it, and I finally fleshed out some of the Python bindings for my animation system, so I can do some basic fun stuff, and I'm going to show that off. So first and foremost, I tweaked my camera script a little bit so it follows my player character now, which is fun. And you'll see that I have an idle animation playing. I didn't make it, but I think it looks pretty good. And when I move my character, he walks. So that's it. That's what I'm showing off today. My next step is to actually add in transitions and make it blend smoothly between the animations. And I do have all of the, um, I guess, parts of the framework built out that actually do that, but I haven't implemented a widget so that I can actually create the transitions from my interface, and I also haven't added the Python bindings to flesh out the transitions easily. So that's what I'm going to do this week, hopefully, and you'll see some much nicer transitions between my animations. But I think this is pretty cool. I mean, it's not realistic that he just sort of pops right into the idle animation, but animations are pretty tricky. So I'm just happy that I can switch between them at all in a way that sort of matches what should be happening. All right, that's enough for now. Thanks a bunch for listening, folks. Until next time.